Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use GSAP in Webflow. First, understand that GSAP is a robust JavaScript animation library, while Webflow provides a visual development environment. To integrate them, you'll primarily use Webflow's custom code embeds. This allows you to write and execute GSAP animations directly within your Webflow project, bringing your designs to life with complex performant motion. To begin, navigate to your Webflow project settings and locate the custom code section. Here, you'll paste the GSAP CDN link into the body tag. Next, on your desired page, drag and drop an embed element from the Elements panel. This embed block is where you'll write your JavaScript code, including all your GSAP animation logic, ensuring it executes correctly on your live site. When writing your animations, it's crucial to correctly target your Webflow elements. You can use their assigned class names or unique ID within your JavaScript. Employ GSAP methods like GSAP. 2. For animating to a new state, or GSAP. From, to animate from a starting state. Remember to define key properties such as animation duration, measured in seconds, and easing functions for smooth transitions. For more intricate animations, delve into GSAP timelines to sequence multiple tweens and control their playback precisely. Additionally, consider implementing scroll triggers to create captivating, scroll-driven interactions that respond dynamically to user input. These advanced techniques can elevate your Webflow projects significantly. Don't forget to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.